Ladies and gentlemen, now to our last debate, and this is very critical. The drama in Rajasthan is now no more about Sachin Pilot and his rebellion. Tonight, the story is about leaked audio tapes, a sting operation apparently ordered by Sonia Gandhi, and a sensational poaching charge. Interestingly, the BJP is calling this Rajasthan's Watergate, accusing the Vadras of stinging their own MLAs. Here is what happened, from the bizarre to the obvious, and then let's debate.
The day began with the Congress party holding a press conference in Jaipur, claiming that viral audio recordings doing the rounds on social media are proof of poaching in the Rajasthan saga.
इस तथाकथित बातचीत में पैसों की सौदेबाजी, विधायकों की निष्ठा खरीदने और राजस्थान की सरकार गिराने का षड्यंत्र सामने आया है.
As per the Congress, the voice in the so-called leaked audio tapes are that of Congress leader and Sachin Pilot aide Bhavar Lal, Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat and one Sanjay Jain.
हेलो.
हाँ जी.
हाँ, गजेंद्र सिंह बात करूँ महाराज.
मैं बिना उम्र में बड़ों को आशीर्वाद दे दूं.
बिल्कुल साहब.
विजय बहु.
विजय बिल्कुल आप सब मिलकर आपके आशीर्वाद से विजय होता है. बिल्कुल.
हाँ साहब, मैं एक दो दिन में संख्या पूरी होती थी.
बस संख्या पूरी हुई. यहाँ के 2082 अब तो कहीं है. मैं कल संजय जी ने भी बात करी. तो आपने 8-10 दिन को 10-15 दिन की अच्छे रहना चाहिए. रात तो रहे कौन सी 12 में 15 दिन तक जो छोड़ दी जो लोग अपन के आ जाए.
नहीं, बात मैं भी समझूंगा. होटल से रात अलग होनी.
हाँ,
और संख्या बल है कोनी.
संख्या बल है कोनी.
और बाकी वो बात आप संजय जी होगी संजय की. वो मेरे बेटी से मिला वो नहीं. मैं बात कर रही हूँ.
हाँ, मैं कर लूँगा. ठीक हो.
हाँ तो मैं वो तेरे लिया.
ठीक हो कब.
ठीक सर.
ठीक है.
नमस्कार.
They are heard talking numbers. They're talking about hotel politics and targets. Congress claims this is a clincher. But the politicians whose names have featured, be it from the Congress or the BJP, have called it fake.
मेरा जो ऑडियो आज वायरल हुआ है वो कतई फर्जी है. तो ये फर्जी ऑडियो तैयार करा के जगह जगह एमएलए के पास भेजता है. एमएलए से फर्जी ऑडियो तैयार करवाते हैं.
साल से कांग्रेस की सरकार जिस तरह से असफल हुई है, मुझे लगता है कि उसके बारे में कोई विवेचना या व्याख्या करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. वो स्वतः स्पष्ट है.
What's interesting is the fact that Congress, which is unable to contain its implosion, faces charges of stinging its own MLAs. And then the hotel drama, with Gehlot sending his police to Haryana to issue a notice to the rebels, including Sachin Pilot, who has taken his fight to the courts.
The team of SOG has now reached here at ITC Manesar. We reiterate that the team of SOG has now reached here at Manesar. They have not been allowed to enter inside the premises of ITC Manesar. Pictures which we are showing, in which you can see that the officials are sitting here. Remember, SOG is the same team which had sent out a letter to not only Deputy Chief Minister but also Chief Minister regarding the investigation into the horse trading charges ahead of Rajya polls. And now the same team has come here to investigate the kind of audio which has surfaced.
The drama continues, and it's no more just about Pilot's rebellion. Tapegate is now raising questions for both the Congress and the BJP. Let's debate.
Gaurav Bhatia with Surendra Chauhan, please. Gaurav Bhatia, if you have been trying to if you've been trying to poach, then you've been caught. Your minister says it's not my voice. Why should we believe him? Surendra Chauhan, the minister says this is not my voice. I can only tell you the drawl with which Bhavar, I think his name is Bhavar Lal Sharma, speaks, sounds exactly like him. The BJP minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat sounds exactly like him. So the issue here, Gaurav, is not about Congress breaking up. The issue is your role. You've always denied your role. Now, if you've been caught on tape, there are two issues which emerge. One is, why is the Congress stinging the Congress? But that's not important. The bigger issue is how come a central minister is actively supported the stinging? Your official line has been, we have nothing to do with what Sachin Pilot is doing, which doesn't seem to hold any basis after this sting operation. Surendra Chauhan first to Gaurav. I think, no. Surendra Chauhan has the first shot.
Okay.
Surendra Chauhan.
Fine.
Now, Arnav, listen to the voice and the conversation. Who is going to be the beneficiary? 1. 2. SOG is already investigating the matter. Send this tape to SOG. Let us see what is the truth coming out. And who will gain if the government is toppled at Rajasthan?
So what is Gaurav, this proves your
It was
role.
only Bharatiya Janata Party.
Gaurav, you can say that yes, we have been trying to poach. Yes, our minister called, and you can then hold on to your old script that you have nothing to do with it. You've got to decide. But if on my program, Gaurav Bhatia, you expect anyone to believe after this tape, no, 1 minute, let me complete. After this tape, that you are not part of the poaching operation, then come on, Come on. I mean, you're going to be, everyone's just going to surround you with facts right now. If Gajendra Singh Chauhan was trying to poach, accept it. Why are you running away from what you've done?
Shekhawat.
Why are you running away from what you've done?
Okay. So, Arnab, come on, Arnab. Let me speak, Arnab. Come on. Okay? Now, hear me out. Okay, I'll give you the reasons one by one. First of all, they claim that this voice is of one Gajendra Singh. They link it to Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. So, Gajendra Singh and Gajendra Singh Shekhawat are two different people, first of all. Second, my
legal
question
argument
is,
for
why
a political
couldn't
question.
they have a named FIR? Arnab, please listen to me. I'll make 4 or 5 points.
Gaurav Bhatia,
and I think it will be clear to the viewers
He's your
what
minister
dirty
and the
game is
cabinet
being.
minister.
Please be quiet. No, I will not
He's your
speak like this,
minister.
Arnab. I will not. This is not a shouting match. Viewers deserve better than a
he's your
heckling match
minister.
here on your program. Please.
On answer,
You
it's
will-
an
you will allow
aggressive
me, I'll
debate.
speak,
I mean,
otherwise
if the Congress has the upper hand, you don't have to be upset about it. It's an aggressive debate. You're on the back foot. It happens.
Hands have been cut by falsehood.
Yes.
One hand
You're right.
towards Jyotiraditya Scindia, he's gone. Sachin Pilot is going. And Rahul Gandhi cannot be
Forget
called a
about
hand.
Jyotiraditya Scindia.
He's
Talk
not a
of
helping
Gajendra
hand.
Singh
It's a
Shekhawat.
liability.
Is
So
he
can I
not
make
your
my points
minister?
now?
Is he not
Please.
your minister?
Oh, come
Gaurav
on. Please
Bhatia,
be
is he
quiet
not the
now.
cabinet minister?
Gajenji, no point shouting.
Is he not the cabinet minister?
You know, but hear my arguments, you
No,
respond
is he
with
not the
civility.
cabinet minister of
Viewers
your
will
government?
appreciate. So, Arnab, now, please allow me, Arnab, please allow me.
Respond. Go ahead.
Yes. Please, yes, Second point is, probably you are not aware, but the FIR is unnamed. Why didn't they name the persons? Third, ये डराना वराना क्या है? आप कहते हैं किसी ने कोशिश करी ब्राइब देने की. मैं तो रिपब्लिक पे चुनौती देता हूं. Please arrest. Police is yours. Chief Minister is yours. Arrest the person who's trying to bribe. 4, on record of the Congress has been very bad. You remember Rahul Gandhi once wanted to play an audio tape inside the parliament and the chair asked him, would you take responsibility? Rahul Gandhi ne kaha, nahi ma'am, fir main nahi bachata hu, main rehne deta hu. So these are doctored tape made by the Congress and you should be asking them. And last, legally speaking, they have no evidentiary value. Rahul Baba to read section 65B of the Indian Evidence Act.
But
evidentiary value or not? Please
No,
send
but
it to the forensic lab.
are you saying you have no role in it? Are you saying this is not your voice? Are you saying you're not trying to poach? Come on now.
Senior advocate.
Come on, Smita is also on the debate. No, 1 second. 1 second. Fact of the matter is, on the debate right now, which is the bigger issue, Smita? Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi stinging their own MLAs, or the Congress or the BJP facing charges of poaching? Which is the bigger issue in your view? Smita, on the debate with Vikas.
I think the issue actually is the absolute pathetic condition of Rajasthan politics. There is Congress versus Congress happening in the courts. There's Congress versus Congress happening in Haryana. It's happening in Rajasthan. It's ridiculous what is happening. I mean, if it is in legal battle, let it be legal. Instead, one is seeing absolute ugliness. It's so murky. The audio clips are so terrible. The talk of buying, selling, and the worst thing is that it will never get proven. We have seen this happening in state after state, and it never gets proven. The fact is now, one has to forget thinking that politics in this country is ever going to be about ethics, morality, or anything. It's just about pragmatism. It's just about numbers. It's about ego play. It's about power play. Rest, everything has to be put aside as some ephemeral nonsense, because what one is seeing is, the ego battle is so bizarre. And this whole talk about mandate being overturned and all that. What was the mandate in Maharashtra? Did you not see the mandate being overturned in Maharashtra? Did we not see it happening in Karnataka or several other states? So what is happening is just an ugly power struggle which is happening in Jaipur, which is not going to be covered quickly, and the heavy lifting out here is being done by the underlings to see that the Gandhi family remains above board. This kind of peace offering which is being done, the olive branch which is being extended to Sachin Pilot. Please tell me, if Sachin Pilot was not a close pal of Rahul Gandhi, would he have been given such a long rope? Even today, they are not naming Sachin Pilot. Why is it that his name is not there as far as in the FIR or in any action to expel him?
No, this is what happened in Madhya Pradesh, and the same thing is going to repeat in Rajasthan. No, the same thing is going to happen in Rajasthan as well. Sooner or later, Rajasthan government will fall. And BJP will be successful buying all those MLAs through PM fund care.
Thanks. Tausif, you've been speaking since a long time. Thank you. Please, Tausif, it's a request. Arnab, I want to make 3 points. Number one,
I'm not
politically
speaking,
for Sachin Pilot to topple this government, it is not possible for him to topple this government without the support of the BJP, because at this moment he does not have 30 MLAs, which is now evidently clear. There is a logic why Congress has taken this out, because in the court, the Congress, the Abhishek Manu Singhvi and Ashok Gehlot have said that they want to disqualify him based on Schedule 10. Now they are purposely taking out this audio in order to prove that he was involved in anti-party activities so that it can benefit them in the court. So this audio has been, the timing of this audio is extremely strategic. But what is saddening, Arnab, is at this moment the people of Rajasthan
come and vote, and after 5 years and before 2.5 years, they go and join BJP.
To launch a party,
this is fraud.
Transactional legal battle is only making people of Rajasthan suffer.
No, 15 crore, 20 crores, horse trading, getting each MLA. Come on, this is sheer politics, and this is called dirty politics, sir.
Ishkaran.
Pradeep, aapke paas, please don't say anything today. This is what is happening in Rajasthan today.
Why are you heckling?
I would say, Tausif, why are you blaming the BJP when Congress MLAs are dissatisfied? Why are you blaming the BJP if Congress workers are resigning?
Then who's doing that horse trading?
If there is lack of democracy within the Congress party,
who's doing the horse trading? Who started the poaching?
Ishkaran.
No, I will just go simple.
Tausif, can you keep quiet for 5 seconds at least?
As a layman, I want to ask you why all this started. Why those 18 MLAs hiding in Haryana? Why?
Okay. Now, Arnab,
kya ho gaya?
Arnab,
What is the big fuss about it? What all happened?
Arnab, let us be honest with the viewers.
Why Sachin Pilot with his 18 MLAs is hiding? If something went wrong in Congress, they should have spoken to. And why BJP is after that? Why BJP wants to buy those 18 MLAs?
Tausif, if the Congress leaders are at each other's throats, if the Congress leaders have admitted to internal revolt, if there is lack of democracy within the Congress party, if there is panic within the Congress party, where does the BJP come in? Okay, so you can say that the BJP is taking advantage of a bad situation in the Congress party. 1 minute. But which political party where in the world will not take an advantage if the other side is breaking up? If the other side is breaking up, obviously someone will take advantage.
Ishkaran. BJP will come and they will break all the preamble,
let us be very frank with the viewers that everybody in this is doing Sam, Dam, Dand, Bhed. There are no two ways about it. Tausif, can you stop heckling for 10 seconds? Take a breath. Take a breath at least. It's okay. Arnab, the fact is very simple. Let us not fool the viewers. Everybody is doing Sam, Dam, Dand, Bhed in this. You have a chief minister registering a case of sedition, Deshdroh, and then summoning the deputy CM. You have ED raids, you have IT raids. You have conversations which obviously have to be established by forensics. Let us be very clear that everybody is doing Sam, Dam, Dand, Bhed. But the problem is Congress is because it house in every state is collapsing. That is a failure of central leadership. And Sam, Dam, Dand, Bhed will happen.
A minute. Tausif, one issue here. I have a breaking news update which came in that businessman, one minute. Gaurav, one minute. Businessman Sanjay Jain, who features in this tape, has just been arrested in Jaipur. Vikas.
No summon. Arnab, hold on.
With Gaurav.
Arnab, hold for a minute, please. Ishkaran said that the deputy CM was summoned by the SOG. How can a SOG summon? It was a purely notice under section 160, that's all. You're misleading.
Stop arguing legally.
You do not know the law yourself.
Stop arguing legally. It's a political debate.
Something is done by the... And moreover, Gaurav Bhatia says that the name is not mentioned. So FIR is not an encyclopedia. He's a criminal lawyer himself. He must understand that.
Please, let's not argue it like we are in the court. We are having a debate. If they were aware, should they not name the accused person? What are you talking about?
No.
But let me respond now, please. I heard you. You want to complete your sentence, but I would like to respond to you.
If BJP leaders
what emerges, Vikas,
down, it should be shameful.
Vikas, what emerges is one minute. Vikas, one line, please, Gaurav and Vikas. What emerges is that you have put detectives and investigators to tail and sting your own leaders. This is right royal crazy. I mean, it's like, Tausif, why are you shouting? You have put detectives to tail and target and record and sting your own leaders. What's going on?
They have disowned him.
Pardon me? Someone's stinging, right?
They have wrongly misowned Sachin Pilot.
There are some tough questions that need to be answered by the Congress. Please, can I come in? Today, the Rajasthan High Court has asked the Speaker not to decide on the disqualification of these 19 MLAs, and the reason is because Speaker was trying to rush through the entire process. Second, why have you not suspended all the 19 MLAs? If you think that they have incurred the Roth under 10 schedule, they should be disqualified. Suspend all of them. My third point is, if you have other tapes also, like Ashok Gehlot is saying, please submit them in the High Court. File an affidavit. They will not, because to furnish false evidence itself is an offense. Under section 195 of IPC, they know they are fudging these tapes. These are all doctored tapes in the Congress headquarters. So therefore, before the court, they will not file this evidence. If you have the courage,
I don't care about your technical arguments, man. Why don't you both have the honesty to admit that one side the party is breaking up and the other side the BJP is trying to poach? Don't make a moral argument of it, Gaurav.
No, BJP doesn't need to poach. There are hundreds of MLAs from the Congress who would be dying to be in BJP. But we will not. We exist on our inherent strength. What happened to six BSP?
Do you want to buy those Congress MLAs, yes or no?
Congress who were supporting today the Congress.
Do you want to buy those Congress MLAs, yes or no?
Whoever sympathizes with the Congress, can you answer this?
Do you want to do horse trading with Congress MLAs? Say yes. Have the courage. Say yes, I want them in my party and I want to form the government. Say yes.
Augusta Westland deal से दिया था ये रॉबर्ट वाड्रा किस काम से दिया?
अरे sir, you say yes, I want to do. I want to form the government in Rajasthan and I want to buy the Congress MLAs right now in Haryana. Say accept it.
Ishkaran is responding.
Accept it.
Ishkaran is responding to that. I got a bad audio link with Gaurav Ishkaran.
You want to buy those Congress MLAs and to form the government.
This entire issue, Arnab, one thing is very clear. Arnab, for politics in this country, one thing is very clear. If I may quote it, if electricity comes from electrons, does morality come from morons? Nobody is being moral here. Let us be very clear on that. There is no morality happening in politics. you have notices, summons, arrests, you have rumors of Congress spending money, you have rumors of everything happening in this case.
Conceded that BJP has no more morality. First time
I'm saying politics has, do you hear? I'm saying politics has no morality.
No morality.
सुनते भी हो या सिर्फ चलाने आते हो? Politics is
back to
morality.
You have been.
My young colleague Ishkaran, I would disagree with Ishkaran for the reason I think if Congress is crumbling under the weight of its contradiction, if Congress is crumbling because Rahul Gandhi doesn't want other young leaders to emerge, the BJP cannot be blamed for it. I asked a very simple question and no Congress sympathizer will have the guts to answer that. How much did you pay to buy the 6 BSP MLAs who had merged with the Congress? Can you answer that? How much did the Congress pay? 100 crore, 200 crore, 500 crore? Tell me.
Any money.
You how? Acha, you know. Are you the accountant of Sonia Gandhi? Or are you the treasurer? Have you replaced Motilal Vora? How do you know? I make a charge on Republic that Congress party paid 500 crore to each MLA of the BSP and then asked them to merge. Was that constitutional? But you will always have an ostrich-like approach. You will not see the sins that Congress is committing. Jyotiraditya Scindia, not with the Congress anymore. Because the Congress wants Gandhi. Aarti utaro, 50-year-old immature child ki. No leader of any self-respect.
Gaurav Bhatia, why did you make him the member of parliament? Gaurav Bhatia, answer to the nation. What special qualification Jyotiraditya Scindia had to make him the member of parliament? Why did you make him the member of parliament? The moment he joined your BJP,
qualification, okay.
It was a pact. You made him the member of parliament. Why did you make him the member of parliament? Tell us, tell to the nation. Gaurav Bhatia has guts to speak. Why did you make him the member of parliament? Because he helped you to form the government in Madhya Pradesh.
Gaurav Bhatia.
Doing drawing room politics, sitting in air conditioner.
You people are poachers. You people are trying to buy horse tradings. You people are guilty.
You know, Congress में सबसे बड़ा गधा कौन है सब जानते हैं. अभी कपिल सिब्बल ने कहा था अस्तबल से घोड़े भाग जाएंगे. अरे गधा मालिक होगा तो घोड़े तो भागेंगे. अगर अस्तबल में घोड़े हैं और गधा मालिक होगा तो घोड़े भागेंगे. याद रखिएगा मेरी बात. अभी और भी घोड़े भागेंगे आगे. सब भाग जाएंगे. नेहरू जी कह गए इंदिरा से ऐसा पोता आएगा पूरी कांग्रेस बर्बाद करेगा, अकेला ही रह जाएगा. नेहरू जी कह गए इंदिरा से ऐसा पोता आएगा पूरी कांग्रेस बर्बाद करेगा, अकेला ही रह जाएगा. देख लेना एक दिन.
गौरव भाटिया, आपको भी आप तो दोगले आए. पहले समाजवादी पार्टी, अब भाजपा.
No, but in all of this, I think one point we are not talking about here. I think Sachin Pilot is also looking extremely indecisive right now. I think the point was made by Smita and Pradeep Bhandari earlier. Yes, Pradeep.
Wants to leave their party, please come
to us. I want to make a point. There are 2 points again I want to make. The question here is that politics, as I agree with Smita ji, that it's nothing about morality. And Congress should understand that why is it that its MLAs are always available to trade? Why is it that there is no ideology that anybody can buy their MLAs? So there is some root problem in the Congress party which nobody can deny. But at this moment, Arnab, an ideological party like the BJP should not routinely become transactional because it will not be in the long-term interest of the Indian politics. And at this moment, if there is any veracity in the tape, then I think it's a sad moment for Indian politics and Rajasthan politics because already the BJP is the leading power in 2023.
Right now, breaking news, Smita, last word, section 124A sedition, 120B criminal conspiracy against the businessman who features in the tape in Jaipur. Full might of the Rajasthan government being used. I don't know if this is going to be a solution. Smita.
Just want to say one point before anything, the thing is that there is no question of propriety, there is no question of morality, there is no question of ethics in anybody to do with Rajasthan politics. Nobody is coming out smelling like roses. When Gehlot says that for over a year he's not been in, he's not had a conversation with the Deputy Chief Minister, that just goes to show that he has done bad man management as a Chief Minister. If Sachin Pilot today is refusing to talk and refusing to speak about what his next steps are going to be, is he going with the BJP? He makes this comment to say that, you know, people are trying to ruin my relationship with the Gandhi family. What is he trying to do? There is no parivar out here. It is not family. It is a political party of which you are a hissa. Are you in the party or aren't you in the party? You are taking the party to court, so you are not coming out smelling like roses. As far as the BJP is concerned, for them to say that they are not trying to poach is really unbelievable at this stage. They are also not smelling out like roses. I think all of them put together blame the media. We are the ones who are showing everything what is happening out
I
there.
completely agree with you, but I'm short of time. This is completely bizarre. Ladies and gentlemen, the Congress has stung the Congress. What next? I'll see you on the Sunday debate at 12 on Sunday. Good night and goodbye.